Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the half double crochet pattern. This is a pattern that is very versatile. You can make anything with this, from scarves to sweaters. The half double crochet stitch provides a balance between the density of a single crochet and the height of a double crochet. The half double crochet stitch is very easy to learn, and it is often one of the first stitches that beginners master after the single crochet and a double crochet. Let's look at this closer. This is the half double crochet pattern it's going to make. I'm going to be using a 4 medium weight yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. We're going to start off by doing a slip knot, and we're going to do a foundation chain. It can be any amount that you need. I'm going to be doing 13 chains. Also make sure that your chain is not too tight. It's very important. I'm going to be working from the back bump instead of the loop. To create your first half double crochet, you're going to yarn over once. You're going to go into your third bump. 1, 2, 3. Into the bump. Yarn over, pull through. 1. And then you're going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops that was on your crochet hook. And that's it. That is your half double crochet. And then you continue, yarn over into the next bump, yarn over, pull through the first loop, and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and that creates another half double crochet. And you continue, yarn over into the bump, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over into the back bump, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Continue till the end. Once you're done, this is what you're going to be getting. So to turn and start a second row, you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and you're going to turn your work. Now there's one thing that I wanted to show you, is that if you look at this carefully, you will notice there's 3 loops. 1, 2, and then 3. Now this is confusing a little bit because where do you go to do your next stitch? Do you go through these 2 loops right here like this, or do you go through these 2 loops like this? The way to see, or the way to guide yourself, guide using the 2 chains you just made. So from the 2 chains, you just follow it, and then now you see, oh, so this is the one. This is the 2 chains, and I just follow it. So this means I go into these 2. So this is the front. So when you work, you have to tilt your work towards you so you can actually see where you're going to be crocheting. So let me just show you. Okay, so you've got this way. You yarn over, and then you're going to go into the first stitch, this one. So if you turn, you will see it's through here. Those 2 follow, And this is the next one. Yarn over, pull through. Oh, I forgot my yarn over like this. So you, again, look at it, follow your chain, 1, 2, and it's this one. That's your first one. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Let's do that again. Yarn over into your work, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Let's do that again. Now, this loop will be very important in future videos because we can actually do something with this. But for right now, this is the stitch you have to go into. Yarn over into the work, yarn over, pull through your work, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over into your work, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and you continue like this till the end. And now you've got your second row done. So let's start a third row. Same thing. Chain 2, turn, and there's a confusion again, but don't forget, follow your chains and then you know exactly where your stitch is. So yarn over into your work, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through, and you continue like this. You continue like this for as many rows as you need to. And at the end, like I've shown you, this is what you're going to be getting. So this is one of the samples that I make. I make samples because if ever I want to do a scarf or a hat or anything, I can look at all of my samples, look at the little tag. Okay, so this is made with a half double crochet, and this is my pattern number 8. So I go into my book and I know exactly what to follow to be able to do this pattern. So I hope they enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video.